Hey everyone, hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. It's officially the kickoff to summer, and so I wanted to highlight a few of my favorite annuals that might cause people to spark some conversation when they're over visiting for that summer barbecue. These are just three kind of unusual, maybe things you haven't seen before. The first one is called Abutilon. It's often referred to as a Chinese lantern or flowering maple. The leaves look a lot like a maple tree, but the difference is with this annual is that they have these really cool lantern-shaped flowers. This one here is orange. We also have some that are yellow, some that are red, some that have a more orange hue. So really cool. These ones you can actually bring inside and kind of train to become a woody shrub and small tree that you can bring in and out during the winter and summer months. The next one is for all the kids out there, or all the people that love movies. You might like this one. It's called cassia. It's often referred to as the popcorn plant. If you rub the leaves, it smells like buttery popcorn, and the flowers, when they pop, also look like little popcorn kernels, so that's very cool. The last one is for all the plant nerds out there. This one's called firethorn, and it is very unusual. The leaves have this very weird corrugated structure with tiny little thorns that are orange. And they do produce little small purple flowers that kind of look like phlox or small petunias. What's kind of weird about this is that it is poisonous, and so you don't want to be poking yourself on this or have kids playing in this, but it definitely is a conversation starter. Come on in and find these three things. I'm sure there's other things that you might find interesting. Come on in and find all the fun things.